Dear students, in this video class we will discuss transaction processing concept. I am Arun Kumar, assistant professor in MLV Textile Engineering College. For this video, I have taken content from NPTEL. Before we start discuss about the transaction, let's discuss about the kind of storage. The first kind of storage is volatile storage, which does not survive system crash. Means what is the stored in that kind of memory when power failure occur or some kind of failure occur, it does not survive that kind of failure. Means what is stored in that storage, it will lost. The second kind of storage is non-volatile storage, which actually survive the crashes or failure. Means what the content stored in that memory will store persistently when any kind of failure occur. Or the third kind of storage is stable storage, which is an abstraction which is relies by maintaining the replicated copies in multiple non-volatile storage. Means this store the multiple copies on non-volatile storage. Means when any kind of failure occur, the data will anyhow stored in some kind of non-volatile storage. So start some transaction terminology. The first terminology we used in transaction is commit. Commit means transaction completely perform all the operations and change the database state accordingly. Means in a transaction there is many operations. uh, when a transactions execute all of its operation, we set its commit. Means what the change made by this transaction we will store in our disk. As you remember, the definition of transaction is which change database state from state A to state B. Means what the operation needs to change the state from A to B, all the operation have been performed. So the last instruction we can call it commitment. All the operation of this transaction has been successfully completed. The second kind, the second terminology is abort. In abort, transaction is unable to complete all the operations and hence will be undo the operations that were performed till that point. Database will remain in the same state as it was prior to the beginning of this transaction. Means in a transaction, if not all the operation of this transaction has been completed, means few operation has successfully completed and some kind of failure occur. Due to this failure, we have to reach our initial state. Means what we have done to the till this point, we need to undone or undo what we have performed to this point. Means a transaction, if in transaction suppose there is a two state of database, initial state of is A, and is the definition of transaction. Transaction change the state of database from state A to state B if all its operation of this transaction has successfully completed. Then we change our database state from A to B. And abort, if in this transaction there is several operation and only few operation has been uh, executed and the remaining operations is not executed because of some kind of failure occur, so we need to undo all the operation which we have executed. Suppose in this transaction there is five operations and three after three operation executed, a kind of failure occur, so we have to undo all these three operation done by these transactions. So we need to go back to our initial state. What is the state A? So this is the meaning of abort. Abort means the go back to your initial state, and commit means uh, go to your new state B. What is the meaning of rollback? Means if this is suppose this is a transaction, start with the begin transaction and there is an operation 1, operation 2, operation I and operation N, and at the last there is an end transaction, is the end of the transaction. If all these operation 1 to N complete successfully, then we call it the transaction has been commit. Means all the operation what the operation change in this transaction we will store in our database, means disk, and we set our database state from A to B. We have reached to our final state, what where we want to reach in state B. But in abort state, suppose there is an operation 1 executes successfully, operation 2 successfully, and this till the operation I we have successfully completed, and after operation I, there is some kind of failure occur or system crash. So what we have done to this transaction, what the change made by this operation, we need to roll back, means we have to reach an initial state. What is the current state or the initial state where we start the execution of transactions? So we need to roll back all these operations, or we can call this suppose before the start the transaction, our data state is A, and after transaction our state will be B. So in abort state, what this operation N till the operation I we have executed, but after this the system crash occurs, so we need to roll back to reach our state initial state A. This is the first property of transaction, which is atomicity, means it will execute all of this operation or none of the operation will execute by the properties of transaction. So this is the meaning of rollback, means we need to go back to our initial state when a kind of failure occur. So for doing rollback, we need to maintain some kind of logs or log records. How we achieve this rollback, means how we can reach to our initial state where we start the execution of transactions. So the log is a sequence of log records recording